Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the why you shouldn't fall for the fake beauty standards. See, there's a lot of going on in this world, and one of the top thing is the fake beauty standards that the Western culture, and it's also coming in our country, India. Like they are trying to convince us that women should look like in that particular way, and if a woman doesn't look like this, she is like not pretty and not attractive, which is completely false. First of all, second of all, this thing also makes the natural women feel like unconfident. When a woman who has so many fillers and doing everything for her face, and trying to fit in the such criteria, and the other woman is choosing to stay natural, people, this is like most probably men, like most attracted to the women who has so much fillers on her face. See, everyone have their own choice. It's their body, they can do anything they want to do. But the thing is, the type of standards the people trying to set, if I want to do something, I can do that, it's okay. But if you are saying that this is how you should look, and if you are not doing this, you are not pretty enough, like you are not attractive enough. What does that mean? Everyone have their right to do whatever they want to do, but you can't mentally force other people to do what is insanely wrong. And I'm not wearing any makeup in this video, not because I am making a video about beauty, it's not like that. I didn't feel like doing makeup today, this is why I didn't do it. It's not like आज मेकअप की वीडियो बना रही है तो बिना मेकअप, no, it's not like that. I wear when I really want to and I feel like I should, and today was not the day. This is why. See, everyone have like every person in this world is totally different in every single way. Like everyone have their own beauty, inner beauty, outer beauty, the way of speaking, the way of walking, everyone is so different. So with these beauty standards, why we are trying to look like just each other? You can do whatever you want to do, but with all of these fillers and things in our face or in our body, everyone is looking same. So what is different in you? You are also just like everyone, there is no difference, there is no uniqueness in you. You are same as them, there is no difference. You should be the person who should feel like this is who I am, this is what God created me like, and I am so pretty, so beautiful the way I am, and I can do everything, I can attract anyone, and if I'm not, that's okay. I am so pretty and I feel that, and this is who I am. And for me, I'm so pretty. I don't have to fall for these fake beauty standards. I've seen so many videos and news about this, that women's are also losing their facial expression because of all the fillers and everything in their face. Like, why? You can't even express yourself by your expressions. What is going on? And literally, why women are doing this? To attract men, for their attention. Some women are doing this because they want to look attracted continuously for their man, so their man won't cheat. This could be a reason. You convinced yourself to change. How is this even possible? If a person don't love you, he won't love you no matter how you look. If the person is loving you so hard, they don't need anything, all they need is you. If someone really wants to love you, all you need to do is present, alive. And if someone don't wants to love you, you can do everything for them, they won't love you. This is very real and harsh truth. You can do whatever you want to do, but the person won't love you. And if someone love you, all you have to do is exist. Please don't fall for all that fake things to attract such some man attention. No. And if you feel that I'm feeling confident with that, and this is how I want to look, you can go for it. But don't try to say that this is the standard I have, this is a pretty woman's look. Like, no. If you want to look pretty with fillers, the other woman can look pretty with her natural beauty, what God gives her. And if you want to do it, you can do it. There is no such issue. But don't try to tell the other women who wants to stay natural, and who wants to stay who they are. Don't try to tell these women that you are not pretty enough. Don't try to set these standards that if you don't have this in your face, you are not pretty. No. No, man. No, this is not true. And yeah, you are pretty enough the way you are. Don't fall for all these fake things. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.